I'm Heather Hardy, Coordinator of Professional Development within DSBLink. What's DSBLink? Well, it's a platform for continuing professional development, engaging stakeholders being business students, community, alumni, and more in learning opportunities from cradle to grave. Through this platform, stakeholders will explore opportunities, experience learning and development, and elevate management practice. Students who participate will develop skills and knowledge that will make them more employable after graduation. Experience really is the Dhillon difference. This platform is externally funded and free for students. It connects students with externals to build their network, as you'll see some examples there in the word cloud, learn about industry, and explore career opportunities. It also introduces students to professional organizations relevant to their majors. For example, CPA, Chartered Professional Accountants, CPHR, Chartered Professionals in Human Resources, CFA, Chartered Financial Analysts, CMA, Calgary Marketing Association, and so many more. Opportunities to develop within DSBLink are in these four main categories. We have workshops, which offer both hard and soft skills. Hard skills will be things like our Excel workshop offerings, where soft skills are things like networking and leadership. We offer networking and speaker events, where we bring industry professionals onto campus, or in this case, into our virtual space, to network with students and share their knowledge through keynote presentations, as well as panel discussions. Our biggest event of the year is the Student Professional Development Conference. This is a two-day event that comprises of high-caliber speakers and different interactive sessions. You'll see it's a great opportunity. Case competitions are another way to develop. These ones are a little bit more time-intensive. In a case competition, teams will practice beforehand. What is that case competition? You're reading a business story, you're finding out what the business problem is, and as a team, you're then pitching your solution live to a panel of judges. We've had students get hired out of these sorts of opportunities. They're a great way to showcase your skills and really take that in-class learning to the next level. All of these opportunities will be reflected on the My Experience transcript. This is something new to the University of Lethbridge as of 2019, and we're quite excited about it. As you can see there in the transcript, there's different tiles for the different events that you participate in. This transcript reflects things beyond the class. So these aren't the things reflected in your traditional transcript, which shows your GPA. These are opportunities beyond the classroom, like those networking workshops we talked about, or the interactive speaker events. You'll see there's a different tile for each different event. They fall within different categories, like leadership, skill development, and then have different competencies attached to them. Competencies are the skills that you've learned as a part of that activity. These opportunities are then showcased in the transcript that students can attach with their resume, bring up with potential employers, and attach to their LinkedIn profiles. All in all, what does this mean for you? Well, there's many benefits, but here's a handful for you. It's going to enhance your marketability and expand your knowledge. You're going to build skills through those workshops and case competitions. You're going to hear from high caliber speakers. We've had everyone from Nancy Southern, President and CEO at ATCO Gas, to Brett Wilson. You may have seen him on Dragon's Den, or some of our own local celebrities, people who own companies in the local area or who are doing really cool things in the community. These opportunities give you ways to develop connections with peers and professionals, and all in all, it's going to help you differentiate yourself. Check out more at uleth.ca/Dhillon.